Howdy folks, I'm excited to take you on a virtual trip to Helen, Georgia, a little slice of Bavaria nestled right here in the US of A. It's a delight to stroll through this charming town, with its cobblestone streets and colorful gingerbread-trimmed buildings. We're going to soak in the Bavarian atmosphere, explore the great outdoors, and enjoy some hearty German food. So grab your walking shoes, loosen your belt a notch, and let's discover the magic of Helen, Georgia, together. You'll feel like you've been transported to the Alps as we wander through downtown Helen. The architecture is straight out of a Bavarian village with colorful facades, intricate woodwork, and flower boxes bursting with blooms. You'll find plenty of shops selling traditional German souvenirs from cuckoo clocks to steins, along with local crafts and goodies. Take your time, pop into the shops, and maybe enjoy a pastry at a sidewalk cafe. Remember, travel is about slowing down and savoring the moment, and Helen invites you to do just that. Now let's trade those cobblestone streets for a hiking trail and head over to Anna Ruby Falls. Just a short drive from town, nestled in the Chattahoochee National Forest, these twin waterfalls cascade down a rocky mountainside. It's a relatively easy hike to the observation deck, so you don't need to be a seasoned hiker to enjoy the view. Breathe in that fresh mountain air and listen to the roar of the water. It's a symphony of nature that will leave you feeling refreshed and invigorated. All that exploring is bound to work up an appetite. Luckily, Helen has you covered. For an authentic taste of Germany, head over to Bodensee restaurant. This family-owned establishment has been serving up hearty German fare for decades. Imagine digging into a plate of schnitzel, spätzle, and sauerkraut, all while being serenaded by traditional German music. And don't forget to wash it down with a stein of German beer. It's the perfect way to end a day in this charming town. For those of you yearning for a bit of outdoor adventure, Unicoi State Park is calling your name. Just a stone's throw from Helen, this state park offers miles of hiking trails winding through lush forests and alongside sparkling streams. You can choose your challenge, from a leisurely stroll to a more strenuous climb, and be sure to bring your camera because the panoramic views from the mountaintops are simply breathtaking. Did you know that Georgia has its own burgeoning wine country? And you can experience it firsthand at Habersham Winery, one of the state's oldest and largest wineries. Located just a short drive from Helen, Habersham offers a variety of wines from dry reds to sweet muscadines. Take a tour of the vineyard, learn about the winemaking process, and enjoy a tasting. And don't forget to pick up a bottle or two to take home as a souvenir. Well, there you have it, a taste of the magic that awaits you in Helen, Georgia. From its Bavarian charm and natural beauty to its delicious food and outdoor adventures, this town has something for everyone. Remember, travel is about more than just checking off destinations. It's about immersing yourself in new cultures, embracing new experiences, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. And Helen, Georgia, is the perfect place to do just that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and guides.